Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all! Today, we are going to be continuing our Mu Model IDW line with Megatron. As I've stated in previous videos, never read the IDW comics, not sure whether they're any good, but I will say I do like the look of this guy. Now, I'm a little concerned because this one shipped without the cellophane. So I haven't looked in the box yet. I really hope there are no issues with the product, but why don't we take a look at the packaging and then we'll see what comes inside. All right, y'all. So here is the packaging that Megatron comes in, and just take a look at this guy. Looks like we've got a bladed bit and a pop-out Decepticon logo right there on his chest. A lot of detail around the waist. More bladed bits along the arm. Is that, I don't know, I think that's some sort of shield. A dual cannon on his right arm, which is an interesting take. I kind of like that. And he's got a rock or something as a prop here. You can even see the copyright right there. Man, this guy really looks nice. I will give him that. On the back side, taking a look here, we've got product image, more product images. Ooh, I do like this back. His back looks nice. Not sure I like the face, but we'll see when we get it together. It does not appear to be any kind of accessories based on these images, but we will see. Coming over here, looks like we've got 3 sheets of metal, 202 pieces, total difficulty of 6. So shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be. Let's go ahead and slide this thing out and see what we have. All right, so it looks like rather than the cellophane, they just kind of taped the edge shut here. So here we go. All right, nice cartoon or comic version of Megatron here. Looks like it's the same version as we are going to build, which is nice. This is a very light instruction manual. Only 16 pages all told, so not too much there. Yeah, I don't really see anything that stands out, but we'll see as we go along. Here is the metal, and of course the finger condoms. Oddly, man, these are on there. Good. We got 2 magnets here. These are not wrapped in the usual plastic, and there's no sales pamphlet, which is a little odd for these. Let's get this metal out here. If you take a look, it looks like it's sealed here, but apparently it's the other side. Okay. All right. So we do indeed. We have got 3 full sheets of metal. We've got some nice big pieces. I love this black and purple contrast. When you add some of the silver in, that really just kind of makes it pop. I really do like this. Look at that design right there. Look how awesome that is. Looks like we've got his face over here. That doesn't look so bad. I guess we'll have to wait and see when we get it together. I don't really see anything on any of these pages that stands out to me as something that would be terribly difficult. Doesn't really look like there's any minuscule pieces, but we'll see as we go along. All that said, I'm really excited about this, so why don't we cut some pieces out and let's get started. And here we are at the end of part 1 of this Megatron build, and I gotta say I'm not particularly impressed so far, but I've been that way in previous builds, and then when it all comes together it just looks incredible. I mean, you can see we've got the arms here. They appear to be a little blocky. They do have a little bit of rounded bits here at the pauldron, which we'll get into. The arms are on slightly different positions, but for the most part they're just mirror images of each other. And then we have his cannon. Let's go ahead and get into the cannon here. There's not much to it. As you can see, these barrels are really only held by this one thin piece of metal on either side, so you definitely want to be careful that you don't bend that too much. We do have 2 magnets here, quite powerful, and since this is relatively flat, it's actually not keyed to anything. You can just stick this on anything. It's make a great kitchen magnet. You've got this nice little inset here with the silver support on either side. Another bit right here. I don't know if that's supposed to be a sight or just a design, or who knows what exactly that is supposed to be. Lots of beautiful laser etching all over. Particularly like this little design right here with the purple. And I will say the purple, the light purple and the dark purple, combined with the silver and the black, it really does look spectacular. The black, however, takes fingerprints like there's no tomorrow. So when I get this thing together, I'm definitely going to have to go on a cleaning spree. But all of that said, I mean, there's some nice detail. All of this is laser etched, little detail all around. Nothing that really stands out. Now this is unpainted, and if you look, it's like hollow. You can see my finger right through it. So look, if you look at it at specific angles, and again right here, this is unpainted silver. It's just, I don't know, it doesn't feel solid to me. Not like tactile wise, but kind of like I guess emotional wise. It doesn't feel solid, and there's a lot of hollow bits in it, but it is stable enough. When we come to the arms, this guy's got blades everywhere. You can see there's 3 blades here, there's another 3 here, replicated on the other arm. You've got this excellent detail right here on the shoulder. These little curves were actually a lot easier to get together than I had anticipated they would be. I thought it was going to be a bit more difficult, and it ended up being pretty good. So, nothing too bad there. Again, that wonderful purple and black contrast, the silver highlights on the inside of the arm. Now, this is where you get all of this wonderful, amazing, visible detail. And it's all going to be hidden once you've put the torso on. So, I'm not sure why they put it here. I mean, there's a cylinder right in here that you can't see right here because of the torso, or where the torso is going to go, I should say. You got this venting here. You get this wonderful electronic laser etch bit, the larger ends of the blades, and all of it is going to be hidden. The bicep here, it's got this excellent little piece on either side to kind of detail it out. You can see the bend cylinders on either side. And this little piece jutting out here on the outside of the bicep, it's actually pretty awesome. I really do like it. Right here, it's like some sort of gauntlet, or I don't know what that is. Maybe a transformer version of a knuckle duster or something. But it really makes the forearm a lot bigger. And I'm not sure if I like the look. I'm really not. Some people may like it. I'm kind of on the fence. I do like the inside of the forearm. The fist itself is nothing to write home about. As you can see, there's like no detail here on the top. There's no individual fingers, so it's all just flat, boxy. I mean, the thumb is pretty standard, but nothing really major. And then again, I don't know if you can see it, but there's all this detail on the back of the hand you're never going to really see because it's covered by this gauntlet. And the inside of the gauntlet is unpainted. So again, you look at it at the right angle, it just doesn't look like a finished product. So I'm not particularly sure I like this. Now, to attach the gun, it's really just magnet, boom. And you're on. You can put it anywhere on this that you want. Since it's not keyed to anything. It'll work on both arms, of course, but this is what they've got it in the display. We'll see how it all goes together whenever we get the rest. But there you have it. That is the arms and the cannon for the IDW Megatron. It's a good start. It's not particularly impressive yet, but like I said in previous builds, that doesn't necessarily matter because it'll get much better once everything goes all together. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.